everyone, it's your girl Brittanee here with BeeBeeCraft. We have a different kind of video today. I am doing an unboxing from BeeBeeCraft. They had reached out to me and asked me if I could go ahead and make some pretty things with their products because they like the pretty things that I made. So just so you guys know that I am not being sponsored in any kind of way. I'm not being commissioned or anything, so I'm just going to give you my honest reviews on the products, and I also will come back and show you what I created with the pretty products. So inside the packaging, this is how it came packaged, all tightly wrapped up in this bubble wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and the first thing that I got were these bottle caps. I love making bottle cap charms. I do have the regular silver ones, but these ones are all the different colors that came in. So I have orange, green, we have pink, dark green, light blue, we have kind of like a fuchsia-like color there, red, purple, and then, well, this was more like a metallic pink, and then more of a matte pink, and then a white, lilac, black, another orange, yellow, another green. This is kind of like a golden color here, and then a shiny black one. And then also with this, it comes with, and this comes in, I can't remember how many come in here, but I think it's 2 of each color. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 34 bottle caps, and then it also comes with some jump rings as well to adhere to the bottle caps. And that's the other cool thing about it, is that it already has the hole punch. I do have the little piercing tool, but it's nice that this already comes with the hole punched in there. So excited to play with those. And then the next thing I got were these different charms. They looked really like colorful and bright, so I wanted to give these a go. I thought, you know, just the colors would just be super pretty because they're just like fun, bright colors. And so it's called Panda Hall Elite, and alright, I love the container too. That's the other thing that drew me to it. So inside, we have, look at these. Aren't these so cute? So this one here, we have a little flip-flop, and I love that because, you know, summer's right around the corner, and I have the summer paper pad that I want to play with, so I knew that that would be a great matchup. And then we have these cute little bow beads here in various colors. This one, I'm not sure what this is. Does that look like an earring to you guys? Kind of like a earring? I'm not sure. But then we have these little cute wings here. And then we have these cute crosses in different colors. Super cute. And then we have the little, oh, I can't think of the technical word. It just left my head, but you know, on the ship. Don't judge me, y'all. Alright, and so next we have these cute little keys. Look how, oh, I just love the colors. They're so fun. I am so excited. And then we have the lock to go with it. So how stinking cute will that be? Then we have these little purses. Look at them. Look at this. And then we have, excuse me, these little roses here. Of course, I wanted to pick up a different one to show you, but I ended up picking up the same color. So super cute. Then here we have little clovers. How fun is that? Then here we have, it's like a leaf, like oh my gosh, I can't think today. It'll come to me later when I hit the stop button. My favorite one out of this whole thing, though, are these high heel shoes. Shut the front door. I love these. These are so stinking cute. Then we have the little umbrellas. These are so cute, too. And then last but not least, we have these little baseball caps. Look at that, oh my gosh. I mean, that's a baseball cap, right? You would say that? I mean, this little part up here on the top is a little weird. But you would say that's a baseball cap, right? Right? Okay. So that is the other thing that I got. And again, I absolutely love the little case that it came in. So, love that. And last but not least, I did pick some dies. And I picked these dies because as soon as I saw them, I already knew what I wanted to do. Or had some ideas in mind. So the set, it came like this. It comes with 3 sets, or yeah, it's a set of 3 different dies, or 4 different dies. So we have the postage stamp one. I have been wanting this for like ever. And so I finally got this one. It's so stinking cute. Absolutely. Ooh, can't wait to play with it. And then this one is the rectangle with the stitch edging. Then we have the hexagon with the stitch edging as well. And then lastly, like this one's my favorite one. I can't wait to play with this because I have a really, really cute idea for this one. And it says a scallop heart border. So you have the hearts going all the way around. And this has 5 pieces in it. And then this one has 7 pieces. This one has 7 pieces as well. And this postage stamp one has 5 pieces. And like I said, all of this comes as a whole entire set. So I didn't get, like, they're not individually priced. Like, you get all these together at a really really cool price. So that is what I got, guys. I cannot wait to dig in and play with these. And so hopefully you'll come back and check out what I create. And until then, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.